time. We'll just see the points that were raised in the last MOM.
There were some points on the presentation of accounts. Those points have been taken care. Can anybody confirm that?
Yeah, chapter-wise account statement was required subchapters. That has been taken care of. One of the points was in that meeting.
I think we lost Nilanjana. Let's wait for her to join.
Just to add to your point, Mr. Sur, the points which were there in point number A, B, and C. One second, Vishal is also joining. So,
Somuji, if you have the screen, you share it, na? If you have the details.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Coach,
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible now. Yeah.
Okay, so the points which was there in 6A, B, and C.
Yeah.
So that has we have done, all the 3 points have been taken care of.
Okay.
One of the examples I can share is like point number 6B. You can, if you see the Zoom meeting, people are already there with Surajit account statement there. And point number 6C, yes, we have taken the income and expenditure sheet of each sub-chapters, and then only we have created our own file. And similarly, some creditor list will be rechecked. That has also been done.
In 6A, obviously there was some this thing. That is why the sundry creditors list was, asked to be rechecked. So, was there any observation on that?
Yeah, there was observation. Gautamda, one second. Gautamda, can you just share on this, because you remember this point had come down. Gautamda?
Hello.
Yeah, Sundabachi, please go ahead.
Yes. This this rechecking of the debtors list.
Creditors list.
Creditors list.
Creditor list, that we have joined to checked up, and whatever creditors were, we have cleared. It was checked.
Okay.
Next.
So I propose adoption of this minutes of meeting. Yeah. Somebody has to second it.
I second it.
Okay.
Sure.
Next point.
One second. I was actually adding
Chaudhary
people.
has shared the screen. He has to withdraw it.
Yeah. Gautam Rai Chaudhary.
I think by mistake he has done it.
Now, how do I cancel it? That's the question. Stop. Got it. Stop participant sharing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, done. So,
I think you just stop participant sharing and you make 1 or 2 people co-host, like Nilanjana, you, and Gautam Da, and maybe Mr. Pandey or somebody like who all can, require to share their screen. Otherwise, anybody can share the screen and it will get disturbed.
Yeah, Nilanjana came back now.
Yeah, I'm sorry, there's a power cut at my place.
Okay. No, we have discussed and adopted the minutes of the meeting of last.
Okay. Thank you. So the accounts needed to be shown now?
Yeah.
Or is that already shown? Somujit, I request you to please show these accounts.
Yeah. 1 second, please.
Was this account statement sent by mail?
No, we haven't sent this by mail to everybody.
But that is required to be done actually. You should.
No, it is in the download, na? It is in the download. It is in the download, the AGM notification download link we have in that.
Okay, so fine. I mean, I have not checked it personally, but since the protocol says that you should send the accounts to all the members when you are sending the meeting notice. If that is done, then it is fine.
It is visible. Is it visible? My file is visible.
Yes, yes, file is visible.
Yes. So just a minute. Since we are doing digitally, we'll go slow bit by bit. Let me know if I want to, if I need to go down, go down.
What is profit to be treated separately?
Profit should be
6.41.
Alok, can you answer this?
It has been taken out, profit, net profit. Then again, it has been added. If you see, it is 6.41 total amount. So this figure remains same for computing the income tax.
I think backup is there in point number 2, income
Yes.
from other sources. Yeah.
Yes, this has been taken out. And this has been given here. So this is same again.
Yeah, got it.
So I'm moving, going ahead.
You should go to profit and loss account first, I think.
Okay. Should I go to profit and loss first? Fine. We start with this file.
Actually, this is the new format. It is given from headquarter this year. There is a change from last year.
Yeah, that's all right. So the total income has been 1 crore 8 lakhs, including the closing stocks, right?
Yes. There is something more in this record. It is
But there is-
pending.
Okay.
No,
10, 11, around 10 to 11 is pending.
No, but that is collection pending, you are saying.
Collection pending.
But that has
no,
been.
but income, there should not be any change in the income then.
It should be shown in the income. If you have raised invoice, then it should be shown in the
We
income.
have not raised. We have not raised.
Then it is not income.
That has not been raised. That is planning stage. We know there is 11.19 lakhs is due.
No, no.
We have raised 4.72.
No, but
And
why have we
BRI.
not raised, Alok, can you explain why we have not raised the invoice?
Because we raised invoice from their clearance when they give clearance.
Who? What clearance?
Party, now we can raise the bill. We are ready to pay. Otherwise, unnecessary we pay tax. We
What
don't
is
get the
what
bill.
is that 11.1 or 2? What you were talking? That can you give a breakup for that? Who are the parties?
One is GRI. We have raised bill this
Yeah,
week.
you have raised bill, right?
Yes.
Right, 2 weeks back.
No,
No,
that
in
is
this,
out of-
this financial year, he has raised the bill because they wanted
Yes,
it in the
yes.
next budget.
Yeah.
Then Green Egg, his gate.
Guinea, have you raised?
No clearance from Green Egg. We could
So
not
that
raise.
is around 7 lakhs.
Only 7 lakhs. We have to raise
What
bill.
else? What else?
This here,
Gate,
DRI is
some
there.
stall.
Huh?
DRI you have raised some stall, Fusion.
No, Fusion is, I don't think Fusion is anything pending.
Something is pending, around 1 lakh is pending after adjustment.
No, but
We have-
Gautam, sorry, Alokda, that will go
Ah.
into the outstanding list because if we don't raise the bill, then the problem is that whoever is that
doesn't
party,
come.
they have to recognize the bill in their last financial year.
No, that doesn't come in the accounts if you cannot raise the bill.
Uh,
Only if we raise the bill or somebody else raises the bill, that will come into account.
As a,
What Joyantu is asking that will they have all of them said that they want to book the bill in this financial year and not last financial year?
Amitabh,
Yeah.
that is now not how they're going. What they're doing is keeping on following for payment, and as and when the company is saying I'm going to pay, the bill is being raised, because unless the bill is raised, the company also will not be able to book the bill. Without the bill coming to them, they cannot book it. So they are not going to show it in their books also that they have spent last year. But the risk here is that they will say you should have raised it last year because I can't pay you this year.
See,
That's the risk which we are taking.
Deepak, the problem is that from which budget they are paying. If they have
Exactly.
budgeted
That's what I'm
last year,
saying. They will say my budget has lapsed last year. You did not raise it, so I cannot pay you anymore.
No,
That
Yeah,
will become a
that
problem.
is the risk.
That is the risk which we are taking.
One thing I'm telling, as far as DRI and GreenX are concerned, they had confirmed last year that they are going to pay from
This year's budget.
this year. That
Okay.
they had confirmed. That was the precondition of their joining with us.
Yes.
So
No,
for
that is okay. That is fine.
That is okay, Manoj da. That is okay.
What
That
I am saying is in
party
some
wanted to
cases-
book the income in this year. So that is fine. But there may be some party who have budgeted it for last year, and if we have not booked the invoice, they will not be able to book the invoice this year in their accounts because their budget is exhausted now.
Sometimes we can land into that problem, but unless we have already spoken to them and they have agreed to carry it on to this year, then it's a different matter.
Yeah, because then we are shifting into a cash-based billing, basically.
No, it is not really cash based because we are not billing it at all. We are raising a pro forma invoice, asking them when you want to pay, and as and when they say yes, we are going to pay you, please send us the final bill, then you send the final bill, because otherwise you are ending up paying GST, which is
So Deepak, the one question on pro forma invoice, on which invoice they are deducting the TDS? Is it the pro forma invoice?
no.
Will never match.
No, if they do that, then they are booking the invoice last year or that particular year, because the moment they book it, they have to have the TDS and deposit the TDS also.
If they do it with PI basis, then there will be a major GST mismatch.
No. So the PI is given only. PI is always a quotation. They cannot. They are not supposed to do it without the tax bill in their hand.
the treasurer, how much we have got in the FD?
FD is given.
Huh?
Oh, that is good. Balance sheet later on. Okay, fine. Just finish this and then go to the
Around
balance sheet.
83.25, around 83.25.
Okay. Now let's just see this. Now 95 lakhs, 1296.
No, I have a small observation, Alokda. That means the membership revenue has also dropped.
Dropped, yes. Because less member last
All
year.
the revenues have dropped. In fact, membership has dropped, sales has dropped, program has dropped, income from other event has dropped.
Yeah.
But other
Only
income is
income
more
from
6.41.
income from interest has gone up. That's the only income that has gone up.
Yeah, but is there any reason for these drops? Because the lockdown started only from March end, so the year was completed. Why did we drop our everything?
I guess it will be Deepanga. I guess it will be difficult for the present treasurer to answer because last year treasurer and president is not present.
Okay.
Actually, they should have answered these questions.
No, but the present treasurer then should have picked up the answers and kept it ready.
I could not pick up because
Anyway,
this is
okay, fine.
COVID-19. I could not go to office.
Anyway, okay. I think we get into that, and then let's go back to the balance sheet.
So the total income has drastically fallen. That is also something which we'll have to make a note. From 37 lakhs, it has come down to 12 lakhs 96.
Now this other income is from, means, is this that Acrex income? 6 lakh 41?
Yes, this is the contribution which we get to Acrex and Refcold.
Acrex, okay, okay.
And Refcold.
And Refcold, yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, but how is the administrative cost?
Has
come
gone down.
down?
Yes, come
How?
down.
How did Wood manage that? And that's a quite a quantum drop in administrative cost. Was there some printing and other things done year before last, Dilank, which was not done last year?
But I have to go to this list.
Just check that out. Why it
Should I
be
go to
that
the
much
list?
down?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Shobhadeep,
Souvenir was not printed.
Yes.
souvenir was-
Souvenir printing was much lesser, and we will go down. I think the expenditure details should
Oh,
be
but
there.
souvenir printing will go into the event cost. There you have a separate column for the row for the event cost.
Racon is a separate.
So Racon, souvenir printing will go into the Racon cost.
No, one more thing. One more.
Let's see.
See, that is also reflecting a drop in expense, which is from 82 to 79. So
that-
which is what would be the souvenir part of it, but why how
No.
administrative costs comes down? That is the question.
There are some, like, for example, which the mementos which we give for our speakers in the technical talks.
All that had been bought earlier and kept, is it? And you've not bought anything this year?
No. See, the program also reduced. If you see the meeting expenses and also the membership, all has come down. So the program also, the income from program will also come down. So that also the paraphernalia of the cost which is involved in giving all the gifts and all those things have been reduced.
Yeah, but then you're talking about 3 lakhs drop here, whereas you're talking about only a 1 lakh drop in the program. So
that I think the breakup would be is down in the.
let's go into the thing. What number was that? Note number 7, 6. What was it?
2.08.
It's,
No,
it's
no.
8,
No, no,
8,
that is
13.
8, 13, 13. Yeah.
13.
Go
Annex
into
13.
Go to 13 straight there.
I'll go to straight 13 then.
Yes.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
That's it. Okay.
There.
One second, I'll
Annual
reduce.
maintenance.
I'll reduce the
was
size, yeah.
spent. Okay.
Bank charges was much less. That was one thing. We didn't
Okay.
have.
Donation is less.
Painting and all was there, I think. Office painting.
Go down.
Yeah, sure.
General expenses
General
less.
expense. General expense is half almost.
The repair cost, the major reduction was here.
Repair and office repairing which was done that year. is not
Okay.
done.
Okay. That's it.
इसी में करीब 90,000 निकल गए.
हाँ, उसी में, that's where it is all.
That was the difference.
Okay. Yeah.
Chalo, proceed.
So going back up,
Back to, yeah.
Balance sheet.
balance sheet, huh?
Providence है.
Balance sheet
P&L
revenue.
तो है वाला. Balance sheet.
Shomodeep,
हाँ.
tell Jitendra to unmute. He should hear and also reply.
He couldn't respond. Yes.
He should also know. So next time also he will be able to.
Niranjana, can you do it? Because I'm actually scrolling the file.
Surajit के बोले देते.
Yes. Shurajit da? Shurajit da, please unmute and respond that you can hear us.
अभी सुरजीत के फोन में बोले दीजिए.
फोन में बोले देना.
Actually, I have joined from my phone because of the power cut. I could not use my laptop. So somebody has to call Shurajit.
अच्छा ठीक है, one of the ठीक है. Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Okay.
What is this short-term provision?
এই তোরা আনমুভ কর, তোদেরকে আবার শুনতে চাইছে তো, তোদেরকে তুই আর জিতেন্দ্র।
শর্ট টার্ম প্রভিশন কি ট্যাক্স প্রভিশন না
expenditure provision. It was reserved for some expenditure.
so has that been consumed up to now or not?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে ওই
আনমুভ করে দে, ওখানে এবার ব্যালেন্স শিটে আছে, জিজ্ঞেস করবে।
पांडे जी আছে না?
হ্যাঁ
পান্ডে নয়, জিতেন্দ্র পান্ডে চার্টার্ড অ্যাকাউন্ট।
जितेंद्र রয়েছে, আমাদের जितेंद्र রয়েছে।
तो जितेंद्र का नाम सर्विस।
yes ও তো নিচে থেকে আনমিউট করলেই ও আনসার করতে পারে, ওর কাছে হেডফোন মাইক্রোফোন সব আছে।
অলোক দা ওকে জিজ্ঞেস করুন, বলুন।
ও তো এখান থেকে প্রশ্ন করলেই পারবে।
हाँ जितेंद्र, ये शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोविजन क्या है?
सर ये क्या कि अपना जैसे पिछला साल का जो बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट था, तो उसमें अपने के वो इनकम टैक्स का प्रोविजन नहीं करते थे। इस बार का जो हेडक्वार्टर का जो फॉर्मेट आया है, उस समय इनकम टैक्स का प्रोविजन करके दिखाने के लिए, तो वही शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोविजन है, इनकम टैक्स प्रोविजन है।
So that is basically income tax provision which has been
income tax
so
provision.
now has the income tax been deposited?
हमने
अभी तक डिपॉजिट हो गया कि नहीं हो गया?
नहीं अभी तो रिटर्न लगेगा उसको, टीडीएस है ना अपना।
हाँ, उसे एडजस्ट करके करना होगा।
हाँ उसके साथ करना होगा, तो जब रिटर्न लगेगा उस समय जो है अपना रिटर्न लगेगा, उसके समय आपका ये हो जाएगा।
ओके
जितेंद्र, जितना हम लोग को पेमेंट आया था सबका टीडीएस मैच हो गया?
इसमें सर अपना कुछ ना ज्यादा हमने ना बिल नहीं किया था, लेकिन उन्होंने जो आपका टीडीएस काट के जमा दे दिया, तो उसको हमने काउंट फॉर नहीं किया।
नहीं अगर हम लोग बिल नहीं किया, वो लोग टीडीएस काट के जमा किया, तो कौन सा इनवॉइस नंबर दिया?
नहीं उसने अपने टीडीएस का 26 ईयर्स जो आता है, इनवॉइस नंबर तो आता नहीं है ना, कितना आपने वो हमारे अकाउंट में टीडीएस में डाला उसने, आपका
26
टीडीएस काटता है।
नहीं बट अगर वो लोग ऐसा कर रहा है तो फिर जीएसटी में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा?
हमने तो बिल रेज नहीं किया ना उनको, हमारे पास
नहीं जितेंद्र, तो उसमें अगर वो लोग ने टीडीएस जमा कर दिया है, दैट मींस दे हैव, वो लोग ने बिल बुक कर दिया है लास्ट ईयर।
हाँ वो पीआई को बुक कर दिया।
वो अगर बिल बुक कर दिया है और हम लोग अगर इस साल में उसको बिलिंग करेंगे तो हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम होगा,
वो मिसमैच रह जाएगा। वो
क्योंकि क्या होगा, नहीं मिसमैच नहीं, जीएसटी अथॉरिटी सीधा बोलेगा तुमने जानबूझ के वो हमारा जीएसटी लास्ट ईयर नहीं दिखा के डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है, साल भर बाद डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो, पेनल्टी दो, इंटरेस्ट दो। How can you do that?
नहीं not only that हमारा ये Deepak, there will be a problem with the income tax also, na, because we are not booking the revenue.
The problem actually will be with income tax as well as GST. Both cases will come in.
तो जैसे हमारे एक ब्लोटेक कंपनी है, ब्लोटेक एयर डिवाइस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, उसको बिलिंग ही नहीं किया है, तो उन्होंने अपने बुक्स में 4,81,000 रुपए का जो है उसने अपने बुक्स में खर्चा दिखा के हमारा टीडीएस काट के जमा दे दिया, तो इसको कैसे करेंगे हमने?
नहीं तो हमको 31 का डेट में बिल बना के उसको, अभी तो इनकम टैक्स तो खुला हुआ है ना, हम लोग तो 31 का डेट पे दे सकता था।
नहीं तो आपने तो मैंने कि अब तो रिटर्न तो जीएसटी रिटर्न तो अपने कर दिया ना उसको।
नहीं ठीक है ना, 31 मार्च का जीएसटी रिटर्न तो आप रिवाइज कर सकते हो।
नहीं इसमें रिवाइज का प्रोविजन नहीं है, इसमें
जीएसटी रिटर्न में रिवाइज नहीं होता है।
नहीं जीएसटी
नहीं ऐड कर सकते हो।
मेन
सर आपका क्या कि पैसा का फिर बात हो जाएगा ना, बुक्स में तो इसका सनी डेटर में खड़ा हो जाएगा, बाद में पैसा देगा नहीं देगा वो चीज का फिर आप लोग को फिर ये हो जाएगा।
नहीं एक चीज समझने की कोशिश करना भाई प्लीज, वो पैसा नहीं भी देता है, व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इज कि टैक्स अथॉरिटीज के सामने हमारा रिकॉर्ड और उनका रिकॉर्ड मैच होना होगा। नहीं तो दैट डिमांड अपने ऊपर ही आएगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने दिखा दिया कि उन्होंने एक्सपेंस दिखा दिया, उन्होंने टैक्स पे नहीं किया उस आइटम पे, बिकॉज उन्होंने एक्सपेंस दिखा के उतना इनकम टैक्स को रिड्यूस कर दिया, तो इनकम टैक्स इज लूजिंग बिकॉज हम भी नहीं दिखा रहे हैं उसको हम इनकम में, तो इनकम टैक्स तो छोड़ेगा नहीं आपको।
तो सर हमको पहले चेक करना पड़ेगा हमने उसको पीआई रेज किया कि नहीं किया है।
नहीं अगर पीआई रेज किया होगा,
पीआई तो रेज किया होगा,
नहीं वो हो सकता है वैसे ही काट दिया होगा, बट पॉइंट इज ये रिकंसिलिएशन हम लोग को ऑलवेज मार्च एंड 31 मार्च के समय माने फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल में सबके साथ एक रिकंसिलिएशन करना पड़ता चाहिए, 26 AS में चेक करके हम लोगों को भी बिल लेना पड़ेगा. That is very important. We must, हम लोग as a normal practice हमको करना चाहिए. Immediately on year closing 26 AS को खोल के चेक करके issues सब close करना.
सर ईयर क्लोजिंग का जो आपका टीडीएस फोर्थ क्वार्टर का टीडीएस रिटर्न होता है 31 मई तक को फाइल करना पड़ता है.
हाँ तो 31 मई को हमको करना होगा फिर.
अरे सब लॉकडाउन था तो दिस ईयर तो पूरा लॉकडाउन है. अरे दिस ईयर तो इट वाज लॉकडाउन.
नहीं it is not a question of that. What has to be done is every month हमको 26 AS चेक करके we have to ensure that we have taken care of this. मतलब हम लोग को करना पड़ेगा.
Let me clarify you first. This year particularly, it was lockdown on 31st. We have not raised the bill for these parties. Maybe they have after 31st they are deposited. They have not communicated us anything. We have not taken it record. So we will now communicate them by letter that we have not raised you bill. You have done it. That communication will keep with us. Else, other than that, this year cannot be done anything because though month it was closed. They came here in July. These accountant people, how can you do this year? It was not possible.
Okay, Gautam. Now I'm countering that. Okay, as far as the tax authorities are concerned, somebody has to pay the tax. Income tax has not been paid, which was supposedly paid last year.
Deepak, can I button? Deepak, Vishal.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah,
so the only two things that happens in the situation is number one, you will, as ISHRE, we will not be allowed to take credit of the TDS because we will not have a corresponding bill to show.
Yes.
We have not taken it.
The only loss is whatever that's 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 worth of TDS. Technically speaking, we cannot take credit for that because we do not have a corresponding income for that.
Yeah.
No. We can take that credit in the next year. There's no problem. It's only a loss of 1 year working capital.
Yeah.
The bigger loss is those companies because they will not be able to take GST input since it is not showing in our GST. So they will be in bigger trouble because they will not get GST. We are not responsible for some other party creating a bill, not paying tax. That is not our lookout. That department will only say, you have claimed this TDS of 10,000 rupees, please show me the corresponding income bill, which we cannot show. They will say, okay, fine, this TDS you cannot consider. That is our
Vishal, my only concern is that probably this payment was made against some PI and they have deducted the TDS and deposited it against that PI. Then that mismatch will stay forever and we will never be able to take, even in the next year, we will not be able to take.
Amitabh, it's not a very big deal. It happens also all of us in contracting. If the bill has been raised in the month of April, May, June, or after 3 months, something next financial year, the files will tally over one day, it will tally in the second year. But the bigger problem will be Blowtech as an example because he will not get GST input in last year.
Yes,
the bigger problem is him, not with us. Because GST input is 18%. It's much higher than TDS.
Yeah.
So we should connect back. No harm in connecting back with those people and asking them, boss, aapne TDS kahan se jama kar diya? Hum aapko bill bhej diye.
So that is what I am saying, Vishal. The reconciliation of this aspect should be done as early as possible for simple reason that as a clear-cut picture, what they're doing is they are taking credit for the TDS, which they have deducted. They have shown they paid that TDS, whereas we will not get the credit. So that goes to the department straight off as it is.
We will get it next year, we will get in the current financial year.
No, so what is going to happen? That's what I'm saying. So that is carried forward. But the department actually gets the income tax from us 6 months down the line, whereas they have actually shown it there in their books as a thing done. So now the department will always charge you and demand from you saying that you delayed the making of the bill on purpose, creating an issue.
No.
You wanted to save tax. No, I'm just, let's understand this. The demand will come. Thereafter, you'll have to sit down and explain now.
Our demand can only be TDS mismatch because we have not raised the bill. As simple as that. Our demand can only be TDS.
Yes, I also say this.
Okay.
And also, I remember Deepak, what Gautam was saying a few minutes back. This year, because of March closing, people have deposited TDS of the month of March as far as June.
No, I agree.
June, people have gone to July for March. It was very difficult this year to tally. Otherwise, 31st March TDS you can see in the month of May.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's what I said. So you have to do
And then you can see mismatches and then correct. And we have to correct
accordingly. Absolutely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. This year you forget.
So no, we connect back to those 2-3 parties.
No, now we should connect.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we have to do it, and we have to do that aspect now.
I'll now clarify, Jitender ji, for you. Please understand.
This may be noted, and it as a task item.
Nilanjana Shomajit, note it. जितेंद्र जी,
yes,
आपको ये जो 2-3 पार्टी का है, इनको कम्युनिकेट कर देना है कल परसों में, नेक्स्ट दिन कि भाई इन्हें आपने जमा किया है, हम लोग इसको क्रेडिट नहीं लिया, हमने आपको इनवॉइस रेस्ट किया लिया, इसका आप कम्युनिकेशन उससे रिप्लाई ले लीजिएगा, ठीक है? कोई अगर दिक्कत हो, आई एम अवेलेबल, हमसे बात कर लीजिए।
उनके साथ रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि आप रिटर्न रिवाइज कीजिए,
जो भी आप उसको लिखिए। और ये आगे से सर जो बोल रहे हैं ना, वो दीपक शर्मा वर्मा साहब, 26 को टैली कर लीजिएगा कस्टमर के साथ।
क्वार्टरली टैली कर लूंगा उसको।
हाँ, ये हम लोग जो है, सिंस प्रोडक्ट नहीं है हम लोगों के लिए, वन मोर थिंग विशाल, यू हैव क्लैरिफाइड वेरी नाइसली, सिंस हम लोग कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं गया, इसलिए मतलब जीएसटी कोई गुड्स नहीं गया, तो उतना वेरिफिकेशन में कोई बात नहीं है, वी हैव नॉट रेज्ड द बिल, so they cannot take GST credit, and so
I will also point out one thing to you, Gautam da. If the service was provided in the financial year 1920 and we have not raised the bill in the year 1920, but we have raised it in 2021 for whatever reasons, technically that is incorrect.
Okay.
Technically, that party cannot take input credit because they had received the service in the previous financial year, not in the current financial year. So both from our side and the other side, if GST opens the books, which is very difficult for them to get into such nitty-gritties to open, but technically speaking, in service delivery, since the service has already been completed in December 2019, the bill should have been raised within that financial year. Logically speaking, you cannot carry it forward. Because
in fact, again, that we have not done technically because to save 18%, because they were not ready.
So you can be in trouble with the GST department for not raising bills. So I would recommend in future we should do that very carefully.
In fact, as far as GST is concerned, you're supposed to do it within the same month and complete the issues, right?
Actually, yes, within 30 days. Of 30 days. The service.
Now, yes. Pradeep, it is your call. You have not raised the bill because they were not paying. Pradeep, you please note it. Huh? Pradeep.
I have noted it.
Please.
I have noted it. But Blowtech, I cannot figure out also Blowtech is for Recon also or not. Because I was checking the details. Let me just, I have taken a note. I will speak to them and
the
take
billing part. Billing part also. Billing part.
Yeah,
sometimes for Ishre, other also they deposit here. That is the wrong deposition is also sometimes there, Ishre. That also have to be checked by Jitender.
Yes, because Blowtech I couldn't find out from Recon details.
Okay, let's check
Jitender. Now, obviously, Jitender, when he's saying that it is Blowtech, then he's already reconciled to 26 AS, right? He's found it from there. So let's, anyway, go into the detailing of this. This has to be sorted out. That's all.
जितेंद्र जी और एक स्मॉल क्वेरी, जैसे वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि हम लोग जो इनवॉइस रेज किया और जीएसटी मिसमैच का, हम लोग जिसको पेमेंट दिया, जो उसका साइड में कोई जीएसटी मिसमैच है कि हमको बिल नहीं मिला है?
अपने को जितना बिल मिलता है उसके हिसाब से हम अपने इनपुट ले लेते हैं। हमारे पास जो बिल आता है उसके हिसाब से हम अपने क्लेम करते हैं।
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है। मैं जो बोल रहा था कि जैसे हम लोग पेमेंट दिया है, हाँ, तो उसका अगेंस्ट में सबका बिल हमको मिल गया है।
Not just bill. I think JKT, what you want to ask is whether that party has deposited the GST finally.
Correct.
Jitender ji बोल रहे हैं that is real odd कि हमको GST bill मिल गया, मैं GST का input ले लिया. Technically speaking, that is not complete. The completion has to happen only if the other party has actually gone ahead and deposited and filed the returns.
Correct.
Otherwise, our GST will be disallowed.
Yeah.
What I believe HQ we have started doing at HQ is that we only pay the basic amount. And once we get the GSTR1 or whatever proof, then we pay the GST amount.
Correct. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you can check for last year or even today all your vendors whether their returns are up to date and our bill is showing in the returns or not.
Correct.
Okay.
In fact, we can also start here that procedure. Check whether they have paid the GST and then only release the GST. Release the basic amount first.
नहीं, जितेंद्र जी आपके लिए समझ गए क्या बोल रहे हैं साहब लोग? क्या बोल रहे हैं बोलिए तो।
अपने को उनका 2A से अपने को मैच करना पड़ेगा जो हमने इनपुट लिया।
करेक्ट
बस वो देखे ही नहीं क्या आप?
नहीं, उससे चेक किया था सर।
हाँ, तो कोई मिसमैच है कि नहीं हमको कंफर्म करिएगा
है
आप।
सर, उसमें कुछ है, उसमें
कुछ मिसमैच है, मतलब जमा नहीं किया वो लोग।
कुछ 12,000 रुपया कुछ है उसमें, मैं देखा था उसमें।
अच्छा, तो इनको बोलना पड़ेगा, आपको इमीडिएटली उनको कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है
नहीं, और उसको ऑफिशियली लिख के रखना जरूरी है हम लोग की साइड से।
वो लिख के रखिएगा।
हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड रहेगा कि भाई देखो हमने उनको पॉइंट आउट किया, तुम नहीं जमा किए हो, एंड दैट communication should be available in our files.
And
file
you know, the treasurer can take a call whether he will pay it against GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B, because sometimes what happens, they give the return, GSTR 1 is given, but then payment is not made, and later on the input is disallowed. So again, there is a problem, and then after 3B is given, then you can reconcile it. So that is a call that treasurer can take, and can
no,
guide,
but Amitabh, if the communication from our side is there, so that is going to help, because then they will reply saying that yes, this is what it is and we are going to do this. So the matter becomes clear.
जितेंद्र जी, तो हम लोग को ऑफिशियली उनको लिख देना है, उनसे रिप्लाई भी लेना है। Alokdar, you please also take a note of it, and little follow up maybe.
I was referring to going further payments SOP, like what
okay.
In HQ we are now following a process that unless the vendor gives you GSTR 3B, we don't release the GSTR part. We will release only the GST part. We will release only the basic part, and then we claim the GSTR 3B, because again, this has happened recently, because we earlier saw that people used to give GSTR 1, showing that they have, they submit the return and they show it in GSTR 1. We can take input credit from GSTR 1. But unless GSTR 3B is there, it will be again disallowed after some time.
I understand, but what I am talking about is you will in any case against the bill claim your input credit?
Yes.
And then it may be disallowed later on. That's a different matter. Till then you must have a communication. Basically, you got to look at it that way. See, holding the money is just pressurizing your supplier to make sure that he deposits.
Input
That's
credit,
about all.
Input credit, so we will take at the time when we receive their bill. At the time,
that's it. That's what I'm saying. So when automatically, that is the aspect which you are doing. Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. So that's the second area, both to be covered.
So we keep the vendor in hand, because sometimes we have released payments and
then they don't do it.
Pay the GST. Eventually, that liability can come back to us, though it's a remote possibility, and there can be way out also in that. We may go for an appeal and take, we can get relief.
Yes.
But still, why do we take that chance?
Exactly. Why should we have to suffer for it? That's something, let them suffer for it.
But it is very difficult in our type of working. It's very difficult for our type of working and the competence level having. So people pressure, they make payment, otherwise they make payment, they will not pay in GST. There's another one check. That is also there. That has to be understood. What is the actual our capacity is.
Right. No, and some people we immediately pay. We don't even have a chance to check their GST returns out.
This can be done in ISHRE. You may not be able to do it in our business. The contractor will not go.
The point has been understood by Treasurer and Jitendra, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If that is the case, then
it is the responsibility of Treasurer.
We can go to next point.
Yeah, let's move forward.
I think accounts part is complete.
Very good.
So we will move into.
Somebody will have to, propose passing the account.
I am proposing it.
Pass.
Okay. So it has been proposed by Mr. Deepak Verma and passed by Mr. Manoj Chakravarti.
Seconded by Manoj.
Seconded by.
And unanimously accepted.
And unanimously accepted by everyone present.
And you ask for a vote. How can you assume it is unanimous? You have to ask for a vote.
Okay.
Yeah, I took the vote digitally and I've received all the results.
You can say all those not in agreement say nay.
Ranjit, welcome Ranjit.
Yeah, I've been here for a
Hi,
long time.
Ranjit. You are the real star of today's show after so many
It was
days.
your baby. Almost.
I'm enjoying your talks and I'm enjoying my presentation.
Great to see you healthy and
I wanted to talk you with you also.
okay. So we move forward now. We appoint the auditors for 2020.
But after the balance sheet is passed, then Mr. Ranjit Mukherjee appeared. Before that, he was not there.
No, I'm there from a long time.
Actually,
No,
it
no.
was Sujoy speaking.
No, he was actually
He was
enjoying
secretary.
Alok handling it. That is what he was enjoying.
Yes. He
Yeah,
was
yeah.
confident.
Definitely, I accept that because I have to understand many things for which I need not talk now.
Anyway, one thing, Alok, don't talk
Yes.
about Sujoy because you have taken the charge from Sujoy.
No, I have taken the charge, but all the things.
Now that's all.
I'm telling Ranjit is not responsible.
So you are the boss. Don't
Yeah.
tell Sujoy on this.
Okay, I think we can move forward with the next agenda.
Yes. So appointment of the auditor for 2021. Do we retain the auditor or do we change the auditor?
We can retain the same.
Go ahead. Propose to retain.
can-
Propose to retain and move
So,
ahead.
okay. Second to retain.
Okay. Mr. Manoj Chakraborty has proposed and Mr. Deepak Verma has seconded. So we are retaining our auditors, GS Pandey and Associates for 2021. Okay. Now moving forward, we have the vision and update from our current president, Mr. Somajit Banerjee. Somajita, you may please share your screen and present us with your vision and update for the year.
No, I think we need to do the past president first. The previous file first.
I will do that. Since the past president is not available, I will do it on behalf of the past president. So I will do,
Nilanjana, just wanted to check one thing. You have in agenda appointment of nomination committee?
Yes, I have.
Yes.
Fine, thank you.
That is after my presentation, no, without the.
All right, okay.
So I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Thank you. I will just quickly run through the activities of 1920. So this is the membership target that we had, and we could not do very well for the membership, but this year we have taken a strong target, and I hope membership scenario for Kolkata chapter is going to be improved very much. We have had our first international sub-chapter at Bangladesh, and we have also done our Recon Bangladesh, and Bangladesh team is very energetic. We have now, under the guidance of Manoj sir, also we are going to start some programs in current year for Bangladesh in association with Kolkata chapter. May I request everybody else to kindly mute themselves? Yes, Surajita, you have to mute yourself.
1 second, Nilanjana, I'll mute everybody.
Yeah.
And yeah. And now you can unmute yourself, Nilanjana.
Yes. Thank you. So this is the programs that we have done. We have almost achieved our program target that we had for 1920. We have done a lot of product presentation, half day, full day, technical talks, and it was very well received by our members. Some of the glimpse of the programs that we had done. This is some of the half-day programs that we had done. We had done a training with CESC for electricians, and Deepak Verma sir and Gautam sir were the faculties for that program. That program was very well received, and if there was no pandemic this year, we would have replicated such programs this year. This is our national program, Recon. This is the Bangladesh part of Recon. We had a very successful Recon Bangladesh, thanks to the entire team who supported. This is Recon at Kolkata. Surajitda, again, somebody is not on mute. I would request, please mute.
I am being the devil's advocate now. Go ahead, Nilanjana.
Okay. Yeah, fine, no problem. These are some of the DL programs that we had conducted. These are some of the advocacy programs. This is a program with CESC. Student activities, again, we had a marvelous student activities like every year. and some of the tally of the student activities is given over here. We did 17 technical talks, 10 industry visits, 3 student day. We did the Recon design competition. RefCold, at RefCold we had the first runner-ups from Kolkata, and of course we know how wonderful Equest results were, and entire team was present over there. We had 2 winning teams at Equest, the champions and the second runner-ups from Kolkata. These are some of the student activity programs that we had conducted last year. This is Tapman, one of the student day programs. This is Equest. This is some of the new initiatives of student activities. We had Industry Connect at IIEST, and we had a new chapter at MSIT. Youth activities. We had attended a session by Shri Gaur Gopal Das. It was a motivational session. It was very good. We had a clean room workshop by Deepak sir, and then we participated in leadership weekend at Pondicherry. We had done phenomenally well in K-12 thanks to our K-12 team. These are some of the snapshots of the programs conducted. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to the team of 1920 for an excellent year that we had. And 2021 is going to be new and more energetic. Can we have the current president with his presentation now? Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilanjana. Now I'll present the status update as on the 30th August and with effect from 1st of April 2020. And my presentation is more of a plan versus achievement calculations, or rather figuratively. So let me put my screen. I hope it is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Great. Let me just put it on maybe full screen mode. Yeah. Okay. So this is the address on today's date. So for the society year 2021. So this is what I had presented during my during our CWC installation, which was in line with our national president's thought process, which is peace, perseverance, engineering, adapt, collaborate, and excel. And on that basis, the lines which are written in black color is all those which we as a team had thought about. And it will be a motivating factor to make our society or the chapter a great one, or good to great one. And then plus we wanted to have some real good targets in mind. So the focus was on sustainable growth. I would not read line by line because I think the people can see it on the screen. It was more of innovative programs, learning, knowledge, dissemination, connect with all members and academia, and keep it last and most importantly, keep it simple, because we want to spread our wings of Ishre to all people, HVAC or beyond HVAC, and we wanted to keep it simple for everybody to understand. And we have people who are still getting admitted. Okay, so how did it change? How the things have moved? First, I'll start with the most painful area till now. Now, let me be very candid enough on this point. This is our target. It's 53 plus 7 plus 5. So that makes it 60, 55 rather. So we wanted to do it about new members, student members, and women members. And the renewals was 112. We could achieve only 14 out of that. Sorry. We could achieve only 14 out of that. And we had 1 women member out of 5. And we are still at 17 renewals. So we are really lagging behind on that membership front. I will not go to the reasons. Let's talk about what was thought about as a plan, which I had shared in the CWC meeting, and what was the achievement. The focus was on the renewal list. Yes, we have done 17 renewals, and we have requested support from senior members. There was a lot of data hygiene to be required. This has been continuously following up with the HQ team, and I personally have been involved in this with Minu to get all this corrected, and we have also done a lot of corrections works, because we found a lot of members who are due for renewal do not exist in Calcutta anymore. So that was also a thing which we worked on. We had I had planned up for a we had planned up for a close coordination for the zonal chair women and women member sustainability. We could just do only one, and there has been a challenge. And I think this has been documented and well shared in detail by in all the forums. And this is where we are really lagging behind, but that doesn't mean we are not working on it. Maybe the subsequent slides will share on the details. We wanted to approach and register all non-members and new members which have come across mostly are from the program list, the participants list of the programs. So there our support team has been quite forthcoming and quite activated on that front. We wanted to organize various online competitions, and that way I would really congratulate the youth team led by Shubham. They have been really phenomenal in getting a lot of activities like photography, quiz, and a lot of things. We want to focus on Bangladesh. Unfortunately, we can't cross over right now. So pandemic has given a halt, but definitely we are looking for an opportunity. It's just about 5 months down the line. We still have got 7 more months. So who knows, we can really work on that front too. Now coming on to the programs. This, you can talk about anything. We have really made a blast out of it. And this, in this category, I would say the pandemic has come as a boon in disguise. The numbers speak for themselves. This is the achievement till yesterday, 29th of August. That we have done 28 programs out of 35. We are not bothered about the 35 because if you see the subsequent slides in other categories, you will see we have gone beyond the targets. What we want to go is disseminate knowledge, keep it simple, and as our senior members have always shared, we should always have good programs, and that is what we focus on. It's not the target what we follow. Just to keep a check on ourselves and keep evaluating ourselves, we have these several breakups of the programs. As you can see from the details, the product presentation is one where we are lagging behind, but nonetheless, we have done some phenomenal work in the last 15 days, and we are going to have a lot of product presentation in the next month. So we want to have a good September in the line of product presentations. We want to catch up on that too. 2 columns which are still we are yet to open an account is one is full day seminar and national programs. Unfortunately, I don't want to go into reasons, but the fact is we may not have much in this categories. But nonetheless, we will definitely, we are working on options like half day seminars, and case in point, we are going to have a good Engineers Day celebration on 15th of September, and we have invited our immediate past president to be our speaker. So the best part is we are going to have 2 DL programs on the same date. That's something which is really we're proud of, because DL programs are something which we did not have much in the earlier years. We want to work on that, and we're already doing it. Refrigeration also is one part, and advocacy. We have also done one advocacy program with ICC. I'll show you the flyer in the subsequent slides. So the plan was, again, the plan which was shared in the CWC meeting on the left-hand column, and the achievement is what we have done. The knowledge dissemination among all with good quality programs. I think that we have been successful, fairly successful in that front. Product presentation, technical talks, update seminar, we are having a good mix. Product presentation will surely catch up. Rest of the things we are having a good mix on that. DL programs, we also had a DL program with Mr. Madhukar on installation guidelines, which we wanted to focus on, and going forward we surely have a lot of programs on technician, technical talks and everything. Refrigeration, another point which we want to really focus on. We had a plan up to this year. We want to have good focus on refrigeration. It's great to have refrigeration programs we already done, where we did a good program with Mr. Arvind Surange on World Refrigeration Day, and we have programs, programs on cold chain. We also did a lot of refrigeration programs with our student team, which was lacking in our earlier years. ICP courses is still pending. We'll surely work on that. Bangladesh chapter, again, I would not go beyond much on detail because still pending. And carry forward on the good advocacy. Yes, we have put up the request to our national president also to have joint programs. Sorry for the spelling mistake on locally, with institutions that have signed, some spelling mistake on signed, with MOUs with ISHRE. Those who are, we could join hands with them on the local level, so that we could have more advocacy on that front. These are some of the flyers. If you find it too colorful, I'm sorry, there are 8 flyers in one shot. So these are the programs right from Hilti to marine air conditioning to VRF and so thermodynamics, and with Pratikda also in the call today, as well as the shared installations project management. So we have a whole lot of programs, air handling units, and it continues. We had a lot of programs on centrifugals, with chillers, clean rooms. We had Dhaka Sab on the speaker list this year. Precision air conditioning, green building, insulation, and we had maglev chillers. So I can safely say that we had a good mix of programs, and this we are just getting started. If you go to the subsequent slide, we'll realize what type of varied subjects we have covered. So continuing with the programs, then we had programs by women speakers. We had 2 women speakers back to back, Amisha as well as Aditi Surange. And in September, we are coming up with one more lady. This lady's photograph, I'm sure, is very familiar to everybody. We are having her on 15th. So you'll get your links and requests and for this program in subsequent time. So we are going to have, we want to really encourage the women speakers, and we want to encourage the women members. We're trying our best on that. Those are the focus areas going forward. There are programs on refrigeration, which I had shared on the World Refrigeration Day, as well as we have one of those eminent speaker, Dr. Priyabrata, well knowledgeable and a lot of experience on refrigeration. This is our student activities. We finally crossed the barrier, psychological barrier of 400. We were long pending. It was, we were stuck at 390. We were stuck at 390 to 395 to 398. Finally, we got through it. We have 7 chapters who are 7 student chapters which have beyond 20 members. So they are full-fledged chapters, I can safely say on that. We had huge number of technical talks, as I told you earlier. We are not looking at targets, we are looking at knowledge dissemination. And that's what we are doing. We are doing industry visits also, thanks to GRIA. And I would say these are one of the few chapters across the country who have done local industrial visits. These are not HQ-driven industry visits. They're local industry visits, online basis. Student Day, another focus area, just like product presentation in the program list. We have Student Day focus going forward. We're going to have a lot of student days planned up in the next month and 2 months ago ahead. So that's what we are going ahead with. Maybe 78 looks a bit tough of a number, but doesn't make a difference for us. We want to share lots of knowledge to people. So what was the plan? Complete all CWS installation. We did in April, May. Have 2 trainers for the chapter. We got Deepak and Pravidda registered with the HQ. We were additional to new colleges. We did not do additional. We really wanted to focus on the existing college chapters because we wanted to strengthen our bond. We had chapters which had opened last year, earlier year before that, but they were not getting a lot of members. We wanted to establish themselves as strong student members with at least 20 plus student members. We did on that. We were fairly successful on that. Annual plan for industry visits. We did some industry visits. Virtual by HQ, that was there. Separately also, we were supported by GRIA for some industry visits locally. Focus on refrigeration industry visits. Unfortunately, we are not able to do it right now. The same with the component related industry visits. We could not be doing much on that. Online technical training. We have done lots of online technical training, and we are now shifting slightly on to electrical subjects also, because we want to get our electrical members also interested in ISRE. And I must congratulate the student team along with student chapters there are some chapters where we have more electrical students as ISRE members than mechanical engineering students. That's a great feeling for all of us. Hitachi Technical Center, unfortunately, we are not been able to get onto it because that was something which was our flagship product, I would say the event, and as well as a location for hands-on experience. Unfortunately, we could not do it, but we are looking for online options, and we have been in discussion with Hitachi on this front. Participation for national level, we are just getting started. We have got 27 teams in SRPG. So a lot of other things are going to happen going forward in all the national level competitions. So abhi to party shuru hui hai. So program for the students, these are the programs which we have done. Very, very innovative programs. We wanted to get all the programs, and thanks to all our senior members, Amitabh Oda, Pravita, Deepak Da, as well as all the team members. You see a lot of programs which we have done where we wanted to talk to the students, want to find out what they want from ISHRE, not what we want to give to the students. We wanted to get understanding from them, and then tailor-made our programs according to their requirements. If you see the last green, if you see the last one, which is the violet color, this flyer, this is totally related to, electrical domain. So we are taking the support of our another chapter, Ranchi chapter, where we have got a lot of people in electrical field. We want to have programs, mix up programs with those speakers so that we can cater to our electrical engineering students. So there are student programs. First a glimpse, because it's impossible to show 34 of them. K-12. K-12, we opened our account, but unfortunately for the schools, we have not been able to work much, but we are definitely working on something. These were the flyers which we did for programs which we had planned up. For one outstation event which was put on hold, quiz show competition, again we'll wait for the openings. Social cause Srishti, we planned it for Jan Feb. Model school, we're already ready with the model school. We identified, we have discussed. Only once the lockdown is over, we will surely, once schools shift to open up, we will surely get into the signing activities. Sponsors for STEM kits, depending for that. Drawing competition we did. Plantation drive, unfortunately, is pending. National painting competition is, I think, work in progress. We had a con call last evening, and we're definitely working on that front too. Here are the K-12 programs. We did our drawing competition locally. We wanted to do our K-12 slogan competition. Unfortunately, we could not do it properly, but we're obviously looking for it. We had the flyers ready. That's the reason I'm not shown two numbers. We are only shown one as executed. We'll definitely go with the slogan competition further, maybe with a different topic altogether. Marketing activities. Our plan was to integrate the marketing activities that is being done regularly. Facebook, YouTube, all our programs are in ISHRE YouTube videos. So anybody wants to, with the local programs which are there. We do Facebook Live for each and every program which we have on this, under the chapters banner. LinkedIn, Twitter did not go ahead right now. Program flyers, I am already giving you a glimpse. We've done it regularly with our people who are in-house, I would say. WhatsApp groups, various WhatsApp groups are there. We get, if I talk about only ISHRE related WhatsApp groups, I get more than 100, 150 messages every day. Mass mailing, I'm sure AGM mass mailing, for example, the glimpse, we had 3 mass mailing for the AGM itself. So very dedicated team we have for the marketing team as well as social media boost. These are some of the programs we did on special dates, like World Environment Day. We had requested Mr. Gaurav Shori to be our speaker, and he was kind enough to share on a very innovative topic on sustainability. We had Yoga Day in the morning, in spite being a weekend. We did our Yoga Day that day or two. We had International Youth Day with a panel discussion on Atmanirbhar Bharat, something which is a topic which was very prevalent to our times now. We had innovative programs. We had cyber security. We had COVID from Vishal around this. We had quiz competition with the students. We had photography competition with the students. We had art of persuasion, a motivational talk, and then we had recycling, water recycling subject topic. And then the last one on the bottom right is our advocacy with Indian Chamber of Commerce Kolkata chapter. We had representation by one of our ISHRE members, Mr. A.S. Chaudhary, wherein he talked about ISHRE and its activities. So we are definitely being there to share ISHRE along with other bodies, professional bodies. Monthly meeting we are having for every time with respect to chairs and chapter BOGs. We have financial compliances. We are not happening it frequently, but yes, for the last 1 month, Alokda, Manishji and the team has been relentlessly, and Surajit also, I must say, has been relentlessly following up with all the sub chapters, because that unfortunately was a challenge in the earlier years to get their balance sheet and get their income and expenditure statements. But this time we have been quite strong in that front in the follow-up. We have made their life hell to get the documents, and I'm proud of my team on that front. The compliances, yes, we are making special focus on that, and the timely updation on the portal. Definitely, I'm also pestering our RD to keep on loading up the cafe points, which is approvals. Chapter vibrancy is always there. We always in touch with the CWC team, in touch with the various members. We have special success stories. I'll share it in the subsequent slides. Also, WhatsApp groups have been covered, and plus we have webinars at COVID, which also was shared. Plus, we are having India Cooling Action Plan webinar on 15th from our immediate past president, Mr. Vikram Murthy. As well as our CWC members have taken up a lot of responsibilities to press the button to have a strong team so that we can keep the legacy continuing with the active support of our esteemed members. These are some of the success stories which we have done in the industry. These people who are on the right photographs, if there are two photographs, which is the right one, are those people who were student members in different colleges. They have settled in different industries, and we have them in the programs, and we had discussed with them what all benefits ISHRAE has given to them in their life as well as in their career. And I'm very happy to share that we had people right from national level to international level. So we had people from Calcutta, from Hyderabad, from Delhi, from even to Tokyo. So people sharing about their experiences with ISHRAE, which gave a great connect to the student members, and that's the reason you see 405. So it is all engineered. These are all people who are visiting us in the next subsequent months. All stalwarts in the industry. I don't need to share their names, and all distinguished lecturers, and they are going to visit us virtually. So we have just started our journey, and this is our team. This was the photograph on the CWC installation and the CWC meetings. We're going to continue ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Shomajita, for that wonderful presentation. And congratulations to team 2020-2021. I think we have a lot of challenges ahead, and as a team with our continued efforts, I'm sure we can achieve lots. I would now like to invite our President-elect, Mr. Manish Tiwari, for announcement of the nominating committee for Society Year 2021-2022.
Thank you, Nilanjana. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So Nilanjana, thank you initially for presenting the report of the society activities for the year 2018 and 19. And Mr. Somajit Banerjee, our chapter president, for sharing his vision of the current year. It has been a challenging year till date. Like all organizations across the world, it is tough times because of this pandemic. Still under the leadership of our chapter president and the guidance of other senior office bearers of the society, ISHRAE chapter, Calcutta chapter is really going full steam ahead. And I'm sure this good work will continue forward in the coming months. The way the presentation Somajit ji did, we are sure that this momentum will carry forward for the whole year. And now to carry on the good work which has been going on over the years, we have already the selection of the nomination committee has been completed, and it is my privilege to announce the names of the new members of the committee. I will be honored to be part of this committee, and the other members of the committee are Mr. Somajit Banerjee, Mr. Ramit Khan, Mr. S. Ganesh, Mr. Gautam Mukherjee, and Mr. Utpal Biswas. Welcome all to the committee, and I look forward to your continuous support in the coming year. Thank you, friends. Thank you all for being here, and I hope I'm sure
the members would have to approve the nominating committee.
Yeah, so I would request all the members if they have any questions, they can put it forward, or if not, they can approve this committee.
I propose that it be accepted.
I second it.
I second it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So now I can officially welcome the new committee on board, and I am sure that I will get their guidance and their help in the coming year. Thank you.
Absolutely. We will have another energetic team taking on the proceedings of the new year under Manish Sir's leadership. We have completed all the agenda for the AGM. If there is any other item for discussion by any member or anybody present here, the house is now open for discussion.
So I just want to have, I have one question. Is there any official decision on Raycon, organizing Raycon this year? If there is, then it should be communicated to the members.
Yes, definitely, Amitabh. We will put up a formal mail on this. It's good that you put up raise this point right now. We want to officially share on this platform today, and the subsequent mail will also be going to each of the members through a mass mailing system. This year we are not, I repeat, this year we are not organizing Raycon. The Raycon 2020 would not be organized this. So this is the final decision, and the same I shared right now, same would be shared electronically.
I think that's a good decision. I think the members would support, because there is no point, taking this challenge this year and burdening the partners who have partnered us for so many years. Maybe we should look at this opportunity next year again and in a better way.
Definitely, and plus we are also not very sure about the distancing part, because physical distancing would be a major challenge in this lead, and plus partnership would be a challenge also. So we want to make it bigger Raycon next year.
So Vishal here, I think it's a very good decision taken, right? Move forward in the circumstances. The thing is, I hope you make a budget for the year based on no Raycon or maybe some other events income coming in also. Also assuming maybe keeping Acrex and Refcold incomes also at zero from a budgeting point of view, at least at this point. Where will that leave the chapter from the financial point of view? I think it's important to make a budget and see where we'll stand.
Yes, Vishalji, you're absolutely right on this, because it is, we definitely agree that these national programs are our chances to earn, revenue for the chapter. And unfortunately, all three cases are down in this year. So we are working on the revised budget, because the budget which was uploaded earlier in April had all these programs involved. So now we are revising the budget again, and we will surely putting up in the CIQ in this as soon as possible, so that we don't have a issue of negativity. That's the
Manoj, unmute yourself.
I also agree with this decision. I request Manoj to comment on this, please.
Manoj, you have to unmute yourself. You're muted. Shomajit, one request, just officially convey this to the members also.
Yes, I'll do electronically. As I shared with you, I'll do electronically. Everybody would get a mail on this.
Yeah, thank you.
I think Manoj is not able to. Let me try to unmute him.
Can you unmute him?
Yeah, I'll try.
I request him to.
I am requesting him, but.
So, Shomajit, till Manoj comes in, I had one more point on your presentation. It was a very nice presentation, very full of activity presentation. So kudos to you and the team for doing that. Only one thing, maybe you've done it or not, is can you make a list of all the people who are attending these webinars? We have a huge number in the last few months, and have a combined list of each member or non-member who's been attending these calls. Then we'll actually come to know how many people have attended the call. For example, I might have attended 10 webinars, so I should be counted as one. So we'll get to know a list as to who all are there who are normally attending these webinars, members and non-members, and see whether we need to redefine the kind of webinar for the future, or how do we target the non-members, get them on board.
Yeah, right, Vishal. Your point is absolutely right. I would like to share on this one, Vishalji, where since this entire online system of having webinars everything was new to us, so we missed out on the first month. That was in April after our CWC. But by the end of April, beginning of May, what we did was we got registration related webinars only. Those who registered, they would be able to attend. So we got a ready-made list of each and every program, the number of participants. And you are right, the participants could be same attending different webinars. So we need to count as one, and that list has been shared with two of the locations. I would say two locations. Why? One is with the membership team of Isha Kolkata chapter, and also with the the list has been shared with the HQ on the people who are joining. So that way, and we also made a segregation between members and non-members, as well as city-wise segregation also. So we created that link update with thanks to Shubham on that front and his team. We created that link, and that way we want to focus on those, and those 17 numbers, 14 numbers which you saw, the new members, and those are all from those participant list itself. And this is just work in progress. We need to do much more than this. But definitely taking your point on this, I'm going to go ahead on front.
Yeah, maybe some kind of analysis would help you. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That is again muted.
Yes, sir. Manoj sir, I think you were coming up with some points, so we are waiting to hear from you, sir.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. We can hear you now.
Basically, it's a nice presentation, Shomojit, you have given, and thank you very much for the achievement so far Calcutta chapter has made due to this pandemic situation. But what is my observation I am telling, that is the membership area, really we have a lot of room. We will have to try, or we will have to put more effort in membership area. That is one area. Another area is what you have done, that the budget, what you will have to make, that budget has to be now how to earn. Because this year don't go, I feel we should not venture for making surplus. We should sustain this year. For sustenance, I think all the senior people should also be involved. And they should be involved, and they should take the role not as an advisor, but directly deliverables. They will also have to come forward and deliver it, like membership, like the various sources, how chapter can income to cope up their expenses. So that way, my request to all the senior members who are here, that please come forward and help the chapter in getting the membership figure high, as well as to make certain activities through which some revenue can be generated. And for this, I would request Shomojit, why don't you set up the target for the people, everybody associated in the chapter activities, some target you set and send and request them to help. I think that is going to help our chapter for sustaining in this present situation.
Definitely, Varadha. Absolutely, I have taken this point, and we have already had a preliminary discussion in the CWC also, and we are going to take it very seriously, because as Vishalji said, we are in a challenge, and that's a fact. Because
challenge will be there, and I think everybody will be love to try or put some effort in giving or helping the chapter. Everybody will love to have it. So let us set the target to the people who are actively connected in CWC, and also the senior people who are also involved in Isha Kolkata chapter activities, who had lot of connection to all India basis, and they can also help. They can also help. So
yes,
please involve them, and involve them as a working force, not as an advisory role.
Definitely, Manoj. I request, I take point is taken, and I request all the members, all the people who are present here in this meeting, to come forward and let's make this financially vibrant and viable chapter, so that we can sustain ourselves in this year.
Is there any other point for discussion in
Somojit, your
house?
membership chair is here. Your membership chair is here, Somojit.
Let me check, sir.
Who is
Just
membership
just
chair?
check.
দেখা যাচ্ছে না
Mrinal Sarkar.
No, I don't think he's here.
মৃণালকে দেখিনি
No, he is not here.
He's not here.
So why don't you fix up 2 members for all present here and CWC? Request everybody to at least get 2 members, all individuals here and the CWC. So you get a call and put somebody responsible like
No, let the
Mr.
responsibility.
Manoj Tiwari or someone be as membership. 2 new members for each of us sitting here in the meeting.
Follow-up
At
business
least.
will be taken care by Somojit himself.
Yes,
During-
definitely.
During reviewing.
Please do that. And some product presentation also we have to try.
Yes.
Implement. Yes. Let us all try at least some product presentation from the companies so that we get some revenue. It
Yes.
has to be seriously noted and taken action.
Yes, Gautam, definitely. We are noting this point. So that I request everybody to support us on this front.
Is there any other point for discussion in the house? If there is anything, please anybody can talk now.
That is all.
Okay.
We need a
So
photograph.
Yes. So
All
if there
camera
is
on.
nothing, then we'll just take a photograph.
all
I
camera
request
switch on.
everybody to switch on their camera.
সুদীপ নাথকে এতক্ষণ দেখা গেল
ল্যাপটপের ক্যামেরাটাকে
প্রতীকদা।
সিলিং দেখা দুটো ওতেই ভয় লাগছে আরো
প্রতীকদা কিছু বলো।
Manoj, একটু ক্যামেরাটা নামিয়ে দেন। Just
5টা মেম্বার দিতে লার্সন
রোজ ক্যামেরাটা একটু নামাও তোমার মাথাটা
প্রতীকদা
হাত
শোনা
হয়ে
যাচ্ছে
আছে।
না।
প্রতীককে 5টা মেম্বার দিতে বলো।
একটু হ্যালো তোমার মাথাটা হাত হয়ে আছে।
সুইচ অন ক্যামেরা। গৌতম দা ক্যামেরাটা অন করুন।
অর্ক, অমিতাভ, ইন্দ্রজিৎ।
আরডি ক্যামেরা অফ হয়ে গেছে। না এবার ঠিক আছে।
ঈশ্বর, পৃথ্বী, সবাই।
আর প্রতীকদা কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না। কখন থেকে কি সব বলে আছে?
ল্যাপটপের মার্কেট না
ইন্টারনেট প্রবলেম আছে প্রতীকদা।
আরে প্রদীপ সিগারেট ফিগারেট খাওয়া বন্ধ কর। স্মোকিং ইজ
কে নিচ্ছে? স্ক্রিনশটটা কে নিচ্ছে?
সৌজিত
আমি নিচ্ছি। অর্ক?
Hey.
এক সেকেন্ড, প্লিজ হোল্ড অন।
হিপোকাম্পাল ক্যামেরা অফ হয়ে গেছে।
What is share?
একটা এসছে, 1 সেকেন্ড। পুরো লিস্ট আমাদের আরো দু পাতা হয়ে গেছে এখন। 1 সেকেন্ড। So I have taken one. Let's see the next sheet. Oh, wow. 1 second.
অলোকদা একটু হাসুন।
আরে এরকমই মুখ আর কি হাসলেও কাঁদলেও এক সানফরাইজড।
Thank you. Done.
চলো, থ্যাংক ইউ।
অলোকদা ইলিশ পার্টির ডেটটা অ্যানাউন্স করে দাও।
ইলিশ আগে উঠু দাঁড়া।
Okay. নিরঞ্জন
আসবে, লোক আছে আমাদের।
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone for joining.
কিছু বলছে বোধহয়, বলতে চাইছে।
Thank you.
প্রতীকদা কি শুনতেই পেলাম না সারা মিটিং এ, কি বলছে কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
প্রতীক হ্যাঁ
চেঁচিয়ে যাচ্ছে কিন্তু কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
এই তো সাউন্ড আসছে
না,
না।
শোনা যাচ্ছে না এখনো। তোমার নেটওয়ার্কের কিছু ইস্যু আছে।
প্রতীক মিটিং করছে।
সুদীপদা বলো।
এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছ? আচ্ছা বলছি, okay, we can't have a understood we can't have a physical recon. Why can't we have a virtual recon? I mean, even if we have, which I think is very easy to get at least say 200, or even if we get 300 participants, paid participants, and we can have a nominal fee of say even 1,000 odd rupees, we can still earn 3 lakhs, and which will support, as Manojda said, the basic cost of our chapter of at least paying the rent and the salaries and things like that. So why can't we have a virtual recon this time?
Manoj, unmute yourself.
Pratik, when you are going, why you are going for such a difficult thing? When very small thing is, if you can get 25,000 this thing, our expenses per month may be around 25,000. If you can get the product presentation of 25,000 and 10, 12 remaining, that means 12 months expenses will be over. I think that will be better. At least you contribute 5 product presentation.
Yeah. Manojda, this is not or, I'm saying and. Of course, product presentation will be there.
First you do that one, then you go for that step.
Okay.
Now, what target we can fix for you if you go for virtual?
That's a part of a subsequent discussion, Manojda. That's a part of a subsequent discussion.
Easy thing first. All things are very good to hear, very good to listen, but better go for the easy thing first. Anyway, it's a good evening.
Suggestion and good suggestion.
And fantastic discussion. Now, Shomujit, if you call it for the day or what you want, you do it.
Yeah, Nilanjana, please, you can continue and finish up. Vote of thanks.
Yes. So we will formally end the AGM here today. Thank you everybody for joining. Thank you everybody for taking your time out, and we have connected over the virtual platform today. From every corner of the city or the state we have connected today. Nice to hear everybody. First, the best news is that everybody is safe and everybody is healthy during this pandemic, and request everybody to please be safe, continue to be safe, and please support us, please support Israel. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Nilanjana.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.